Vielleicht sein Handy da.
Politschek fordert eine Beteiligung des Bundes.
Alle haben deutlich gemacht, dass es vielleicht in den Ländern unterschiedliche Ausstrahlungen gibt, dieser Impfzentren, die einen weniger, die anderen mehr. Aber wir brauchen sie und der Bund sollte Impfen
Almost no part of Germany has been left untouched by a high-intensity storm over the past few days. Rising temperatures may have played a role, experts have warned. The storms and heavy rains that have caused damage and disruption across Germany in the past few days are likely due to changes in the climate, the head of the Stuttgart branch of the German Meteorological Service said on Wednesday. The extreme weather caused flooding in streets and basements as well as knocking down trees. Emergency services, from Schleswig-Holstein in the north to Bavaria in the south, responded to hundreds of call-outs. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.